Okay, hello, this is Garett Weston Thomas with another episode of Point, Shoot, and Eat. We just got back from both Boston and New York City. It was my third time in New York, but first time ever in Boston. Getting from one to the other involved taking the Acela Express bullet train. Take a peek. We're leaving Boston right now. Figuring out our breakfast. Pineapple. Let's see here. Yeah, I feel that. Try to turn the center submersible on. I know. Heard something, but I don't see the response. Okay, well, that was an attempt. And then I'll try it with the GoPro. You have no idea how much I pack all this stuff for in advance. Camera actually just turned on anyway. Alright, well, it's technically on. I didn't even change the battery. Okay, we are rolling. Awesome. Can this here? Well, this battery looks like it's dead. Okay, and done. Now put in the new battery. And rolling. Okay. Of course, we're just stopping. So I'll cut for the moment.
I'd like to welcome you aboard Amtrak train 2159 Acela Express. At this time, conductors will be coming through the train to scan your tickets. Please have them out of the envelopes or on your phone ready to be scanned. I'd also like to tell you a little bit about the train. Located in each coach, at one end or the other, are the restrooms. Located at both ends of every coach is the trash receptacle. Also located in the seat backs in front of you, for safety instructions. Please familiarize yourself with these in case of an emergency. The last car on this train is the first class car. Second to last car is the fire car. The fire car means no cell phones or loud talking. A library atmosphere. Located in the middle of the train, it's open now ready to serve, is the cafe car. Our next station stop in about 20 minutes will be Providence. Providence, Rhode Island. Providence is next. 20 minutes. Tickets, please.
I guess we're going to visit Rhode Island. Fascinating. Of course, I'm having a viewfinder dispute. But, I don't know if that'll even show you. It's like a good battery. That may have been the last time that's ever going to work for me. Oh well. Neil deGrasse Tyson book over here. Astrophysics for People in a Hurry. This is crystal taro cake. So, basic point I'm saying over here, after our vacation into Boston and New York, riding the Acela Express, I'm not even going to try to compare the bullet train over there to the Shinkansen in Japan, which truly is a bullet train. No questions asked. When you have a bullet train, it needs to be able to be used to get from point A to point B with few limited interruptions. It's not supposed to be sharing a track with things that are maybe going 10 miles an hour when you're supposed to be going well over 100, maybe 200 miles an hour. As far as I understand, this was going the maximum speed in the country of the United States of America. So there's that. Probably gonna need to get the scissors. Today Today's lab was brought to you by the color red. Unsheathing this. While I did enjoy much of our Acela Express ride journey, you know, we were getting to travel through areas like Mystic River. You got to witness a lot of the really gorgeous nature areas, whether it be like rivers and lakes and other vegetation. Further, when you're going between Boston and Manhattan, you're getting to also, in the process, go through Rhode Island and Connecticut. However, due to the various factors of the interruptions on that train, it did not feel like an authentic commuter rail. When you're on the Shinkansen, that truly feels like a commuter rail without question. Not just for the speed's sake, but when you put certain items on your tray, they're not like rattling and everything like that. They have, as I understand it, a system of using 4 rail tracks, 2 on each side. And it's as smooth sailing as can possibly be. When you're going probably more like half that speed, which is probably the maximum that the Acela can reach, still kind of doing a little bit of rattling and rolling. This system in Japan has existed since back in the 1960s, and they just continue to keep updating it for the Shinkansen. I'm happy to have gotten the opportunity to have gotten to ride it. If I needed to use it as a commuter, I might as well just fly between the 2 states. It wouldn't be for commuting purposes, basically. You know, if you're always in a hurry, you can't just kick back and relax at all moments of the day. Sometimes you don't get to ask Neil. The GoPro is actually working for me right now. It's filming at 15 frames a second in order to film at 4K. Ooh, wow, ooh, wow. Just dropped something on the couch. You probably can hear the Roomba in the background, so my apologies on that. We ate at plenty of fantastic restaurants during this vacation. We ate at the following restaurants in both Boston and Manhattan. Menton, The Daily Catch, Neptune Oyster, The Great American Health Bar, Caviar Russe, Le Bernardin, Momofuku, Lafayette, Juniors, Black Barn at Chelsea Market, Golden Unicorn, Chickalicious. And it was my mother's birthday that we were celebrating, and my sister got to come too. And I thank Tom very much for helping us go on this lovely vacation. In the long run, I've heard that it may have just been nearly as quick to take a regular train. I think it was worthwhile to just try it out at least once, but unless America can get its act together, I don't know if you need to actually commute, if the bullet train is a fully worthwhile experience for commuting purposes until full-blown electrification can happen. I know that as a Caltrain rider here in the San Francisco Bay Area, it is very necessary. Okay, well, I gotta go to work, so that's a wrap. Until next time, point, shoot, and eat. Actually, it is right now. It's showing us everything mirrored.